What's up, TNS family? It's your fave girl, Sarah. Welcome back to our channel. Okay, so I am at mom and dad's house right now. I've got my little cousin staying with...
Yeah.
Where are you? Where are you? I've got my little cousin Jane who is staying with me. I don't know when she's going home because she refuses to go home. Girl, when are you going home? Lockdown is tonight. Not today. Anyways, we thought that we will come and visit my mom before lockdown tonight. As of today, Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. tonight, Victoria will be going on a full lockdown and we will be going on a lockdown for 6 weeks. So we aren't even allowed to leave our homes. It's gone back to the strict, no home visitors. We can't leave our house unless we are going to work for exercise and our essentials shopping. So yeah, I got my sis, let's have a look at your outfit. I'm digging my sister's outfit right now. I got her these pants from, like, can you just show the pants? Yeah, so yep, just give it a little twirl. Yes, girl. So yeah, we're here just visiting mom. Let's have a look at what mom's doing. She's in the kitchen with her grand. With Lenny. Say hi, Lenny.
Hi, Lenny.
No, say hi, TNS family.
I smell rock, shower, a cat in mommy's house.
Okay.
Sera and cat.
Lenny, are you excited that it's going on lockdown?
Yeah, lockdown.
Yeah. Are you excited it's going on lockdown?
Yeah.
You are excited?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to sing your new song?
Yeah.
Go.
Shiny and feeny enough for me. Feeny is feeny in fat. Feeny is feeny in fat. Feeny is feeny in fat.
Say thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Take a bow. Nice. High five, high five. Say later.
Later.
Bye, mom. What you doing, girl? What you doing?
Doing the food.
She's doing the food. My brother's at work and Bote is at work. What are you making today, mom?
I'm making a rice and chops for the boys and dad.
Oh.
Yeah.
And what are the girls eating?
And the garlic for them.
And what are the girls eating?
Well, it's up to them. It's hardly they want to be.
Take away.
I don't know, but just for the boys and dad.
Alright. I'm gonna go see what dad's doing. Do you love your room? Everyone's been saying.
So nice.
So nice. Do you like your bed?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, let's just check on my dad, what my dad is doing. Dad! Say hi.
Hello. Hi.
What are you doing?
Hello.
What are you reading?
Samoa.
Kusi Samoa? Where do you get the api from? Api. From Samoa. He's just reading his Samoan book here. Alright, let's have a look what dad has in his desk. A scarf and his grandson's car. Nice. I feel all kio. Oh, okay. Hi. Come on. Come on. Here, come this way. Come. Yeah, come. Wow, you look so pretty. Come. Mom, look at Day Day. Hey, Christy.
Now, baby. Oh
my goodness. Oh my goodness. Girl, I feel you. Okay fam, we just made it to Wolfzden. It is our last set today before lockdown. Sis, last last sesh. Last sesh, guys. Oh man. Hey, Mumsy.
I've got some workouts for you.
Yes, I need it. Oh my gosh. Hi,
TNSFAM.
Yes, hi, Coral.
Shout out Tuxx.
Hi, Crystal. Hey, Team Sera, eh? Hey, Sash. Hi, Fraser. Hi, Lady. Hi, Greg.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, Ken. Okay, fam, so we're just waiting until it's 6. We always start at 6 o'clock. But I wanted you guys to meet. Are we not really well? I wanted you guys to meet Audrey, hi everyone, Fraser, Willie, and Greg. And now tell us what Wolfzden is about. What are you guys about?
We're about changing lives, and so we want to make a difference in yours.
Yes.
When the restrictions are lifted, we want you to come and experience the sanctuary, we call it, our second home.
Yes.
And a lot of people are better partners and mothers and parents and siblings and daughters and sons from coming here, because obviously the mental health as well as the physical health all coincides with the spiritual health.
Yes, I wanted to ask this question because everyone always asks us on Instagram. Is Wolfzden for free? Like, is there a catch? Is there anything? Like, is this for free? Are we all allowed to attend for free?
It is free. The only thing we ask of you is to register online. That's all.
Yes,
which
ma'am.
is like 2 minutes of your time.
Yes, so you heard it here from one of the people that run it. It is totally free. Everyone thinks that there's a catch to Wolfzden, but literally there's no catch. Like she said, you just have to register. Go to their Instagram and I'll leave their tag right here. Follow Wolfzden and the registration will be on the bottom.
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. Thank you, Audrey.
Any words of encouragement before going into lockdown, Greg?
People just be encouraged just to keep going, keep moving. Don't let this lockdown just tie you down, you know.
So Greg, what can we do during lockdown?
So just watch the space. We might be putting something online, like a Zoom session. So watch the space. We'll keep you up to date with the details.
Yes,
Peace.
thank you. Oh, this already looks spicy. Look at them cook up what they want to cook. What? Deep in thought, deep in thought. They're trying to cook up something spicy. Shot tea, get that stretch in. Oh, what does this do? Wow.
Just because I got a weird, God gave me a weird kind of body, so different kind of stretches, just like different areas.
So I've never seen this sort of stretch before where you do the foot like that.
This is advanced.
Oh, okay, I see, I see. You're praying for lockdown to be over already, eh? Okay, everyone meet Essence. How much have you lost? She was on a 12-week challenge with her mum. How much did you lose?
I think it was like 5.
But you're looking so awesome. Like she was already skinny. She didn't even need to lose anything.
Get it.
Look, Ratchet. Hi. Guys, this is my gym buddy.
Are you not working out?
Yeah, I'm taking this
You
off.
look good. That's all.
Thanks.
Like,
I was like, this is last class.
gorillas. Greg, can you just show us the push gorilla? Alright, just bring your legs up. Okay? 3. Okay? And then 3 frogs. Alright? And 3 straddles. Alright. So that's our warm up. But then you sink this line. Alright, so it goes 100 Hindus, so Greg will do, up to you and your partner, how you break it up. Alright? Greg can do 10. Get a touch, and then Tuxx will do his 10. Yep? That's 20. Alright, once you keep going, up to you with your partner on the numbers. Once you hit 100, and then you do the body drops and sink. 3, 2, 1. Down, up, 2. Yep. Alright? Next one, once you finish that, we go into 90 straddles. The same thing, it's shared. Alright? Greg can do 10, get to touch. Tuxx does 10. Alright? Get to 90, okay? And then your sink is 4 body drops together. Alright? Sweet. And it keeps going. Kick sits, same thing. Kick sits, 80, whoosh, into 6 body drops. Alright, and it keeps going. So, this line goes down 100 to 10. This one goes from 2 to 20. Alright, add it all up, 700.
Me and Renee.
You guys killed it. You guys killed it. Everyone done so well. Push it right to the last seconds. So this is the aftermath.
Thanks, Willie. Thanks for that. Really appreciated that. Hi, Sione. This is our other, this is one of our other trainers here at Wolfzden.